Today, no one here has been drinking enough. He's not even drinking. So I'm going to do the lead-in and tell you that now we're going to make the Beachcomber Punch. It's going to be in a champagne glass for absolutely no good reason.
With crushed ice.
With crushed ice. It's not here because it was really good.
But it's really good.
So you're going to have to watch the video and figure out how to make one.
Don't mind your fingers. We're all friends.
What?
I put the ice in with my hand.
That's okay.
It was down my pants.
Isn't that how you do it?
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek are going to make for you the Beachcomber's Punch.
I'm just going to start because
just keep doing a half ounce of everything. Half ounce.
Unless you get the Demerara Rum, because that's going to be a problem. So, as Dan says, a half ounce of fresh lime juice, grapefruit juice, apricot brandy, simple syrup. Then you're going to add 1.5 ounces Demerara, a dash of Angostura, 6 drops of Pernod, and 6 ounces crushed ice. Ian, this here, that is 6 drops of Pernod.
Well, let me put this in.
I already pre-measured it so that you wouldn't have to deal with the
What does
the
6 drops do?
We'll find out.
You'll know.
You sure that's 6 drops?
You know what Pernod is, right?
Yeah.
So you smell this. Do you want more than 6 drops of that in your product?
No, definitely not.
Because it's gonna be strong.
Yeah.
It's an absinthe and it's black licorice flavor. So you just want to.
We love that.
6
Not
drops
really.
is the key
like
for
it.
all of the Beachcomber products.
Yeah.
Every one of his recipes that calls from a Pernod is 6 drops. We did 6 drops in our zombie or whatever we did the first year, which is like 6 ounces. I don't know. It was like,
Whatever I tried.
it was very.
I don't think it was 6 ounces.
No, it wasn't 6 ounces, but it was more than 6 drops. Then we did it again, and it was about the right number. So we've tried it multiple times. Zombies are good. Hopefully you have an ounce and a half of Demerara there. It will be all of the Demerara. I'm gonna have to go to.
It's 3/4.
Where I'm gonna have to go to.
Oh, we got it. You got it. Oh no, keep going.
Yeah, just
dig deep.
Squeeze it out.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Shake it a bit.
Yeah, come on. Squeeze it. Shit.
Yes.
Got it.
We killed it. The bottle's
Hold on, let me
like 18
see.
years old. It's almost as old as the amount of years it was aged.
Wow, it's all gone.
Okay.
What did you get out of that?
It's all done.
Yeah, I just want to make sure.
You're gonna blend this for 5 seconds. We'll get this immersion blender here.
Don't take away my fun.
He crushed it already.
I crushed it for you.
So we're going to blend with crushed
Oh
ice.
no, he said we'll just
put
blend
that
it with
in the-
regular ice and then we'll put the crushed ice
in there.
Let's not make it complicated.
Yeah. Especially because, crushed ice is kind of like you have to make it.
Yes, you do.
So that's definitely no fun.
All
Flip it
right.
on and
It's a push. Yeah, no,
yeah.
Blend that shit.
So, 5 seconds.
5
is
seconds.
good.
Oh,
You want crit?
Trust me, if you go 7 seconds, it's not like gonna change the drink.
you never know. Oh, looks like it's fucked up.
Start over.
Fuck, you gotta put a half ounce in there of everything.
The molecular structure.
Yeah.
Right.
You're gonna get
Look at all those
You're
molecules.
just gonna be able to do that freehand? That piece of ice is gonna come jamming in there.
Challenge accepted.
The ice is actually probably gonna fly out and
It's gonna
land on
come
the
in.
table.
It's coming in now because you're gonna have to lift it.
He's
a little
bringing
bit
it closer so the ice misses.
more.
Why
It's
is
coming.
it
It's
dripping
coming.
onto the table?
Really? Why is it in champagne fluid?
I don't know, because it says so.
Because we're direction followers.
Because that's how we roll.
That's like a Debbie Downer.
Well,
If you're into champagne,
don't knock it till you try
I
it.
was like,
Yeah.
this is gonna be a
Woman.
champagne drink?
No one asked for any
it's never
opinions
gonna
yet.
fit on there.
No, it's not. Even I just right? That's it.
He's not happy.
Who, Derek?
Yeah.
Did I not put it in the right spot?
No,
it's too
No,
big.
it's too tall.
tall.
Doesn't like when it's too big.
It's too big.
It's too big.
He does.
He does.
I'm drinking it.
It looks kind of cool.
That's why you don't want too many drops of Pernod.
Can you taste it?
Ooh.
A little bit, but not like this is delicate.
I can't really. Oh, I'd have to taste it.
Like it's delicate. It's got flavors in it, but like if you put too much Pernod,
It's going bad yet?
Now you can hear it in the back. Yeah.
it's water, dude.
He wants to be
Let me
cool.
be cool.
You can be cool, but it's still not gonna go bad if it's in a can.
Oh, no, you can taste it in there. the apricot comes through.
Yeah.
It's actually really tasty.
Yeah.
What's that?
Mm.
You have to do this when
Yeah.
you drink.
You can
got a skull
you
on
can
it,
taste
yeah.
that though,
It feels the bad.
It's very
end.
subtle.
Flaming skull, yeah.
but
I'm
Yeah,
obviously
make you add
badass
a
wearing
little
a
too
shirt and
much.
giving the horns.
Obviously.
it actually almost stops it from being like sweet.
Yeah, because it isn't the. Yeah, it's like right around the lime area. You get a little bit of the black licorice,
Yeah.
but it's like apricot. I don't taste a lot of Demerara rum.
No.
I got acidity from the lime, but
Not
it's all
much.
equal parts.
It's
Well,
actually
your Demerara rum is pretty strong.
Yeah.
you don't really get
No, it's like a fruity but not sweet. It's almost
it
like
tastes like an apricot drink.
yeah. It reminds me of like anything with peach schnapps because it's got that color in it.
Yeah.
But when I see this color just from college maybe, but when I see that color I think sweet.
Mm.
Right.
And it's more it's got the consistency and the sourness of a daiquiri. But
Nice.
it's got that color with the apricot flavor. You don't get apricots a lot in drinks. Even when they call for apricot brandy, I'm like, do I just own this just because drinks call
Like
for
it
it?
Fuzzy
tastes like apricot, but not like you said. It's not
Yeah.
sweet.
But it's got like a little delicate flavor. I think you could totally throw this off with the wrong ingredient. Like you would just like too much of this.
So
Yeah.
good balance is what you're
Yeah,
saying.
it's perfect.
It's really good. It's tasty.
Except for the glass.
Yeah, no, like the taste of this
Not paying
drink,
attention.
I want.
It says
Never
champagne
paying
and
attention.
There's no champagne in there.
This is too small.
That's what I'm saying.
I'd want like highball.
Yeah.
This like.
There needs to be more.
Yeah, this is.
You gotta like
You can
triple
double
that
that up.
recipe. Yeah.
You can double,
Yeah,
triple that up.
Probably triple that.
I have to get some
The way we drink,
Demerara
triple
rum,
that.
and then put
Fine,
this on my
fine.
recipe, offspringdrinks.com, and then we'll have to make it. Yeah, I don't see any other option.
That's a good one. That's a good, actually good summer drink.
Yeah, I like it.
Yes.
The executive producer is Peggy Perry.
Peggy!
She's in the chat.
And you can be an executive producer. All you have to do is click the join button. You will be the first person in the last 16 months.
Boom.
Or you could be like Diana,
Good,
who's
right?
40 months.
Ooh, 40
Yeah.
months.
40 months.
But not sweet.
It's a lot of
impressive.
months.
That's
Yeah.
many months. That's almost as many months as we are years.
It's good.
Wow. Wait a minute.
Oh,
what?
yeah.
Think about that.
40 years. 40
Almost as many
It's okay,
months
this
as we are years.
That's
40.
Oh, I surpassed that one.
Yeah.
why I
It's
said
like
almost.
47.
Get a little spritz of bubbles.
Oh my gosh, she wants some champagne in that thing.
Of course she
Let's
does.
need some bubbles in this.
I give it a thumbs up.
3 thumbs up.
I do too.
3
Four
thumbs,
thumbs
4
up.
thumbs up.
I
Jen?
think it's tasty.
It's good.
It is
Oh, wait,
tasty.
I didn't know if you were not getting it.
No. I
Jen's like,
yeah.
Okay.
Now, to be fair, Jennifer drank the entire rum barrel,
I did.
and that was like 4 ounces of rum in there.
And then I drank the whiskey one too. So.
Oh shit!
The one
I know, I
that's
didn't even look like I was gonna drink some of that.
Oh, we made a
God.
whiskey one. I forgot about that.
What was in there?
Whiskey.
Whiskey.
What was the whiskey one you made? It was the Western something. or
Oh.
other?
The Western
It was
one?
basically it's a Flernum sour, or
Yeah.
it was like a whiskey sour with Flernum.
I think it's a Flernum in it.
Yeah.
She's like the whiskey. I don't know. I finished it.
It's good go-go.
What is that? The gestation period of an elephant? I don't know what that means, but I'm sure it's important. Oh, 40 months.
40 months.
I get it
I
now.
don't know.
Look at
Is that how
that.
long elephants are pregnant?
Yeah,
I-
they're pregnant forever.
Forever's a long time.
Well, their babies grow up to be big.
Yeah.
They're pregnant.
You gotta grow
Not
that
cowboys.
thing. No. What?
They grow up to be cowboys. Don't let
Since
your
their
babies
babies
grow up to be cowboys.
Their babies don't grow up to be cowboys.
It's because they don't let them.
No, yeah.
That's right, you don't want to let them.
pregnant for like
Yeah, they
years.
just feel like they're mean like that. They just want you to do whatever you want. Like, I want to be a cowboy. No, fuck you. You're going to be an elephant.
No,
That's right.
don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys.
That's right.
Let them be doctors or lawyers or such.
So, she watched a lot of Ranch. And,
It's a song.
but you did not know that song existed
I
before the
did
Ranch.
too.
That song's been around forever.
That song has been
Yeah,
around
that's been
forever.
around for a long time.
Is that Waylon
I
Jennings?
understand it has. It's
Willie Nelson, Waylon
Jennings.
Jennings.
Yes,
Yeah, I mean,
I think it's Waylon Jennings.
And Willie
Right?
Nelson.
I don't know. It's in one of my playlists, but
I don't know what the original is.
the problem is sometimes it's in one of my playlists and it's like I'm doing workouts and that comes on and I'm like, I can't work out to this. Like, this is not a workout song.
That's where you start doing like egg rolls and like.
Oh, it's
Lamaze
22
exercises.
Diana looked it up. She's like, I got this. Hold on.
I got the Google right here.
She's like, it's not 40 months.
That's still way too long to be
Yeah.
pregnant.
Hey, you know, if it was like 92, that could have taken us years to come up with that. We'd be like, okay, raise your hand if you have an Encyclopedia Britannica handy.
Right.
It's 2 years.
Let's
Look
look
it up.
up elephants. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
I knew
See? She knew it.
She's an elephant
She knew it.
genius.
Whisperer.
Whisperer.
I know all
Effluence.
the facts.
Yes.
So Ian knows
All
all.
the
Yeah,
facts.
yeah. I know all the facts.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
he knows.
airspeed velocity of an African swallow.
Laden
Wait,
or unladen?
I just want to drink this because it's here. This is not good.
No.
So, back to the show.
Yeah, we were really derailed.
It was
No,
good.
okay.
Yeah.
It was good. Highly suggest. I'll put it on recipe.ostrichrace.com, so it'll be a link in the description that you can zap right over to it. So you're going to make that. You're going to then watch all of our Tiki videos. I am pretty sure if you just click on our Tiki video playlist that's at the end of this in the sidebar in a few seconds, you could probably watch Tiki episodes for probably the 3 days without sleeping. And
You're
then
gonna have to
keep
give him
playing.
another drink that uses apricot
Oh,
brandy.
we got apricot brandy.
Because
What is your total video length content? Like, of all the videos you've done,
shit.
do you
Oh,
know what the
God.
total length is? Like, if you watched
like a billion.
No.
Yeah, a billion.
Like a billion.
It's just a billion. There's about, I think, 4,000 videos, and each one is at least
10
8
minutes.
to 10 minutes. Some of them 17 to 20.
So
Some of them were
40,000 minutes, which is
What is that?
a lot.
What is that? I can't see that from
It's an
here.
elephant.
It's an elephant.
Oh.
Dude.
That's when that's when Stephen
I can
Colbert
see
does
it.
this.
Yeah. You gotta
Oh, that's 666
print out the
hours.
receipt. How much?
666 hours.
Oh, that's double.
That's not much.
27.7 repeated days.
Only a month?
That's a lot of content.
All of my content.
That's if you watch 24 hours
That's
a day.
straight.
For
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
month, though, you get through everything I did. I feel like
Well,
I
there's
would-
some longer stuff. Let's
I do
face
have like hour-long
Yeah, like
streams.
that. Is that Curtis thing must be still out there?
Yeah, that was like 3 days.
Yeah.
No, it went on forever. Like we did a gin contest, and it was the first one Ian was here for.
Yeah, yeah.
You came on day 2. Like it was like we had to judge everybody's cocktail, and there was a lot of because he gave out Hendrix like bar bag, and like everybody submitted cocktails.
Right. It was,
Oh
nice.
my God.
It was a nice bag.
There was like
Oh,
70
it was awesome
cocktails,
bag,
and
yeah.
we
And you
like,
made them all?
yeah.
Damn.
Because a smart person would have been like, let's just get rid of the ones that we know are gonna suck.
Yeah.
I'm like, how do I know? I gotta try them all.
Oh, that's a
Pirate
lot
King
of
was
recipes to make.
It took a long time, and thankfully, because Hendrix and Curtis worked at Hendrix, I had infinite amount of Hendrix. It was that I still make all the drinks.
Right. Get all the extra stuff.
What's an encyclopedia? I'll Google it. Sidebar: more videos about Tiki down below. Bartender starter kit. You could use summer for fun to save on alsadrinks.com. 20% until July 31st,
2022.
22.
2022.
22.
Yes, that's it.
All right.
In case you had a drink.